Hi, my name is Janeska, and I am a pharmacy student. So for today, I will discuss about pharmaceutical botany and taxonomy.
The topic that I will discuss is about plant structure and functions.
For the introduction, let's identify the plant structure and functions. Plants have two major structural systems, the root system and the shoot system. The shoot system transports water and nutrients to leaves and flowers. The leaves of the plant are the main location for photosynthesis. Plant reproduction occurs through pollination of the flower and fertilization. Let's move on to the objectives of this topic first. Describe the plant cell structure. Discuss the various transport process. Describe the events in each phase of cell cycle. Lastly, explain the process of sexual reproduction in plants. The body of the coverage of these topics are cell structure, transport process, growth and division of cell, tissues and primary growth, plant organs, and sexual reproduction. Plant cells have a cell wall, a large central vacuole, and plastids such as chloroplasts. The cell wall is a rigid layer that is found outside the cell membrane and surrounds the cell, providing structural support and protection. The central vacuole maintains turgor pressure against the cell wall. The difference between plant and animal cells are, plant cells have a cell wall, but animal cells do not. Plant cells have chloroplasts, but animal cells do not. Chloroplasts enable plants to perform photosynthesis to make food. Plant cells usually have one or more large vacuoles, while animal cells have smaller vacuoles, if any are present. Transport process. Transport is the movement of things from one place to other. What about transport in plants? In plants, it is only water and minerals that need to be transported to its other parts. Another thing that needs to be transported to other parts of the plants is the food prepared in leaves. This is because a plant has a branching shape, so it gets carbon dioxide for photosynthesis and oxygen for respiration from air directly through diffusion. The two types of conducting tissues that perform the function of transport system in plants are xylem and phloem. The growth and division of plant cell. Like other multicellular organisms, plants grow through a combination of cell growth and cell division. Cell growth increases cell size, while cell division or mitosis that increases the number of cells. Meristem is a type of plant tissue consisting of undifferentiated cells that can continue to divide and differentiate. Tissues and primary growth of plants. Meristematic tissues consist of three types, based on their location in the plant. Primary growth is controlled by root apical meristems or shoot apical meristems, while secondary growth is controlled by the two lateral meristems, called the vascular cambium and the cork cambium. Plant organs. Vascular plants have two distinct organ systems: a shoot system, and a root system. The shoot system consists stems, leaves, and the reproductive parts of the plant, flowers and fruits. The shoot system generally grows above ground, where it absorbs the light needed for photosynthesis. Sexual reproduction of plants. There are two types of reproduction of plants: asexual and sexual. Flowering plants reproduce sexually through a process called pollination. The flowers contain male sex organs called stamens and female sex organs called pistils. Plants can either self-pollinate or cross-pollinate. Self-pollination happens when a plant's own pollen fertilizes its own ovules. That's all that I can discuss for you today. Thank you and goodbye.